Alright, let's build a tip calculator, something like this right here, where you can just type in that and it should show you the total. Alright, let's do that real quick. So I have hello world right here, and yeah, let's do this. So we need 2 input fields right here. One, and another one will be number. This one I'll call bill. This one I'll call tip. This one I'll call num of people. Save. Alright, there we go. 3 input fields right there. Let's add a label for each. This one will be for bill. There we go. Then we need a button. Next, I'm gonna add a div. I have like a h3 that says 2 h3s. This one will be total bill, and this right here will be total right here. There you go. Alright, let's code the JavaScript now. So we want to create a function called calculate. Then I'm gonna go into this button tag and both of that, save that. Document not get element by ID value. I guess it works. Equals to actually I need to calculate that. It's put in calculations. So that would be bill plus the next one right here, which would be bill times tip. Actually, this needs to be in the next bracket, tip divided by 100. And then that should say total. Save. Alright, let's test it out and see if it works. So 115, 1 should give us 115. So let's see. 115, 1 get to 115. Alright, let me see what I did. Parse. Turn these into integers. Alright, this should work now. Alright, 115, and then only one person calculates. There we go, we got 115. We're gonna add 2 fixed and then set 2 so that we can add the cents to it. Then 1. There we go, 115 like that. I'm gonna call this total box. Can't think of any other name. Total box h3, then display in line. Let's see if it works. There we go. Boom. And there we go. That's our tip calculator. Now all we need to do is the CSS. That's really it. But yeah, that's our tip calculator. Let's say we have a $500 bill, 15%, and there's 3 people. Alright, let's see if that works. So we have 500, 15%, there's 3 people. There you go, 191.6, 191.67, and yeah, it works. Alright, let's do the CSS for this real quick. Alright, I'm gonna build a container right here. Right, like that. I'm gonna call it main box because I like using IDs. I like using IDs, so. And then I think I'm gonna just say display flex direction column, and there we have this thing. I'm going to go ahead and actually wait. Awesomeness. Margin top. this. I'm gonna have a background color of I think I'll just say gray. Background color of this. Okay. Yeah, there we go. You can even say margin auto. There you go. You can just say margin 50 VH. No, it's too much. 20. Perfect. Just like that. Border radius. Let me see if we put 10 though. There we go. There's one way to do. Make it more fun. This is boring. Alright. Do this. Right. Add a shadow. There we go. I think move up the y-axis, which I think this is the y-axis. Yeah. 20 pixels. Yeah, that's too much. 8. I think it's enough. No, our green, because it's money. Yeah. Lightish green, something like. I can barely see it because like the background is so light. Let me see. I say but nah. Color white. Same thing for this. How much if I have like this? It's gonna go down, so alright, I'll keep it at 8. That'll be too much, so 60. Pause. Yeah, that's the tip calculator right there. Yeah, it's actually a fun project, so yeah, peace.